Let's go catch a rooster. There he is there, look. I reckon he's probably hungry.
Yummy chicken.
It's a rooster.
Come on, jump in.
Someone needs to go over there and catch him.
You can.
Ryan, go and catch him.
Where is he?
Go over there. Step over the fence or go through the gate and pick him up. Can you pick him up?
Oh no. Locky.
Locky. Come on, you can do it.
No, you gotta do this.
Bring that down here and we'll open the gate. Ryan, grab the other side. Bring it down here.
Locky.
And we'll see if we can get him to come out the gate. Yeah, quick, get ready to shut the door, Ryan.
No.
When he gets in there, shut the door. Quick, shut the door. Look, yes. Rooster catcher.
Oh, Locky, in the door.
Quick, do it up, Locky. Quick, do it up. Good job.
Again.
You got him.
I'm not carrying that.
Watch that door, Lachlan. Good job. That's it.
What chickens?
Watch where you're going.
I can't hold this.
I did it in my house.
Right, put it down.
What?
Put it down.
I got that.
Get it up on the veranda and then I'll go and move Jack.
Ready, set, go.
Let's go. Oh my God.
Ryan.
Come on. Let's go. He's all right. He'll be right.
Ow, ow.
Yeah, hold it down like that.
You can do it. Watch where you're going.
Oh my God.
Come on, no, Ryan. Ryan, put it down. Yes.
Oh my God.
Hold it.
Quick, let's go. We're nearly there. Look.
Ryan, hold it. Pick it up. God's sake. Ryan, just pick it up.
That ain't gonna say.
Oh, goodness me. All right, put him up there and then I'll go and move Jack so he's not trying to get it. Rooster rescue.
Jack, you want it?
All right, you can probably put it there and let it out.
Wait.
And I'll coax it into the pen. Open the door, Roy. Let him out.
No, do that.
No, Jack's tied up.
Open the door.
It's all good, mate. Here he comes. And pat Jack.
Oh, he got structural.
He's going to get strangled there in a minute if he keeps going. Go and give him a pat while I get the rooster back in its home.
Ready.
Good boy.
Ready.
All right, Jack, you can go out now.